Alright, just a quick video. I'm on a 2009 Tiguan. I just changed the battery, and she was scared to change the battery because they kept telling her that you need to program it or reprogram it. And I haven't done anything yet. Right now, you can see I'm just getting started, but it will turn on. Now I have all those few lights on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a adaptation and see if it changes anything. But let me see. So let's go to OK. Let's go common special features. Steering angle, seat, gearbox, coolant, suspension. Let's see, where is the... Okay, I don't have anything on here. Gearbox match. So let me go back. Can fast. Transmission, brake, fault, electronic central, instrument cluster fault. So I got a couple of faults, but I didn't check it before, so I think that was from before. So let me go ahead and go back out here. We're gonna do a special function. I'm gonna do a battery. Where is it? I know it's in here somewhere. BMS reset. Let me see if this one has it. Yeah, Europe. Volkswagen. Let's do automatic. Okay. Battery adjustment. That's what the scanner has. Battery matching. Communication failed, so I'm not getting anything on there. What's CAN gateway? Battery matching. This car does not support this function. So 2009 Tiguan, you don't even need to do battery matching, as you can see. So all you need to do is just either drive it or clear all the codes, which I'll do right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me auto scan real quick. So we'll scan it and we'll take all the codes out because he had some other codes, and she says the battery has been dying on her, but that's why we changed it. So I want to make sure that should you need the scanner to match the battery. So I just want to double check that, and as you can see, that's not necessary in this car. So let me pause this and I'll let it finish. Alright, so I'm clearing all the DTCs. I just saved the report, nothing major. It does take a while on these older model Volkswagens. This one had 60 modules to check, and they're pretty slow. So still clearing the codes. So let me check that, and then I'll show you the battery, or the one that Costco has for this car. Okay, we got normal, regular codes that come up. For some reason, they were all there, but I think those were there before. So I'm just clearing everything right now. Okay, so I got a power steering, steering angle sensor, no or incorrect basic adaptation, and then you just gotta drive it on that one. Steering angle sensor, no. Incorrect Bixie, same thing. So we're just gonna clear that too. So first time around doesn't pick it up. Let's see if the second one does. Looks like it will. Yeah, okay, it did. Okay, let's see, still there. Rear camera, okay. I'm not gonna bother, but let me show you the battery. So the Costco battery on this one is an H6 48, and that's the spec for 2009 Tiguan. And that's what I did. I just cut a little bit on that so I can leave the plastics and it looks a little better. But this one's the single handle, not the double, so there you go.